Do you play the game Arena Breakout? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited resources in iOS and Android, no jailbreak, in the Arena Breakout. So the first step is to go onto this website called ZooMods, and you just want to type in Arena Breakout. And as you can see, guys, it comes right up. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe. This is super cool, and it fully works. So yeah, if you're poor in this game, guys, then you need to try this method out because it's super insane. And this is a fully working tutorial for you guys. So yeah, if you go to the App Store and type in Arena Breakout, you can see it's super expensive. So let me just type it in. Just do it, Arena Breakout. And you can see it's really expensive. So yeah, if we go in-app purchases, nah. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try it out. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's super insane. Fully works, guys. So peace out, because I know there's haters in the comments. But trust me, guys, this is legit, and it's actually updated for all devices. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe. But there's a couple things you can do to help yourself. So one of them is go to settings, and then just go to general and go to background app refresh and make sure that that is turned on. Okay, so the next thing is go to battery and turn low power mode off. And if you do these things, you should be good to go. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, you just got to go to the site right here, and you're going to be all good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. This is super cool. And I mean, yeah, it's pretty crazy, you know. So yeah, I'll see you later. But subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. Fully works, guys. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. This is cool.